Angel JC. Ooh, is that legal? Does that work? Is that...
It fits, yeah. He's high enough, he's low enough, yeah. Actually got a good amount of room.
I was not aware that it was legal for these trucks to drive through downtown Rahway like
that
this.
I didn't know either. That I don't know.
I did not aware it was legal to leave your dog shit on the fucking sidewalk right
do
there.
all the goddamn time. They're the worst. See you stopping him. Oh, I guess you're just letting somebody out there. That's what you do with the truck we just did. Yep. Okay, what are we doing, Chuck? What are you doing, dude?
Are you seriously making a fucking U-turn in the middle of downtown Rahway?
In a fucking truck.
I hate you, bro. To drop somebody off. Like, how is that legal?